Hi friends, this is your Lesson 28 exit ticket. So in your learning video, you should have done a couple examples of word problems and turning them into subtraction sentences, okay? So the very most important thing that you want to remember is drawing that neat and organized picture. Okay, you don't want all of your pictures in this box to be all over the place. Make sure it's nice and neat and organized, and you're using that line to cross off what has been taken away. Okay, so on this exit ticket, you will see there are 4 different parts. There's this rectangle where you're going to draw your good thinking. Okay, here's your number bond, here's your subtraction number sentence, and then this is going to be where your missing part goes. Okay. So I'm going to read you the word problem. I'll read it 2 times, and then you're going to complete all 4 of these pieces of your exit ticket. All right, so here we go. There were 9 kites flying in the park. 3 kites got caught in a tree. How many kites were still flying? Okay, so think about it. What is that important information that you can pick out of there, and what are they asking you? Here, I'm going to read it one more time. There were 9 kites flying in the park. 3 kites got caught in trees. How many kites were still flying? All right, friends, so take this information, draw a quick sketch, fill out your number bond to match that quick sketch, write your number sentence. Remember, when we have subtraction, whole minus part equals part. Okay, and when you solve for that missing part, that's what's going to go down here as your answer. Blank kites were still flying. If you need to listen to this again, make sure you go to the beginning.